I'm just gonna show you guys the website. So this is my website, and basically this is the 3D model that I made through Blender, and yeah, and if you scroll down, there is a cool animation about that comes from left to center or whatever the place the stars are set up in, but like there is this kind of like a holographic effect to them. It bends to the opposite side of the cursor basically. And this is just about me section, uh, where I talk about myself and what I like to do, what I don't like to do, and stuff. And if we scroll down below, this is not actually my work experience, but this is potentially just an example of what I would like to do as a person who's in their mid 30s. I'm in mid 20s or maybe early 30s, and I hope to work in places like this. And all of this correlate to my skills and my major and my projects that I created. Now, the first one is Citibank, and so you can basically look at this stuff, but it's basically me explaining what I would be working at this kind of places. But now, if I scroll down, what I forgot to tell you guys was this the brand's logo pops up from behind, and always the text box comes from left to right. So the next one's gonna be coming from right, if you see. So yeah. Now, these are just like balls that you can play with. It just shows all the coding languages and other coding programs that I know how to use. These are not obviously all the programs that I know how to use, but I felt like if I made like two lines, it would not look good. So these are just the best uh, programming languages and programs that I know how to use. But yeah, these are just balls that you can move around and just it's more like fidget toys, not gonna lie. It looks cool. There's also shadows and stuff on the logo. But yeah, I think it was pretty cool. Now, next part is my projects. Over here, I just talk about six of my projects. This is basically, and over here, it's basically the skills that I use to create this project. And there's like a brief description about what the project actually was. And there is also this kind of links that you can click to get basic information behind the idea of how it worked, or sometimes get the actual code of how I created for other people to look and see my actual coding part of the work. But if you click on this one, it just goes to GitHub because obviously I still haven't created this project yet. That's one of my projects that I'm planning to do over the summer. But yeah, and this one goes to Wikipedia, Jarvis from Iron Man or Marvel, whatever you want to call it. I really want to create something like Jarvis. I tried doing it before, but sadly I was able to actually fully do it. But I would like to give it another try. during summer or later years. Now, finally, there is get in touch contact page where you can write your name, email, and just type a message and send it, and it will go directly to my um, Google Sheets or Excel, whatever you call it nowadays. But yeah, and there's this 3D model that you can move around and play with until you write your email. And in the back there is a sorry, I was distracted. But there's like a live GIF that's just in the background. I think it looks cool. It gives like a sky vibes to it. But yeah. There is also a uh, header with a bar where you can just click on it and you can directly go to that section instead of scrolling it up and down every time you wanna visit something. But yeah, so basically this is my website. There's also my logo and my name on it and other stuff. But if you right now it says localhost, but it's also titled Hitayu's jar and not localhost. But yeah, it's just Safari's trend. But yeah.